Hey guys, this is part 2 of my epic huge ThredUp haul. Like I said in my other video, the total for all 30 items was only about like $150, so only about $5 per item. And there's a lot of like really nice brands here, nice quality stuff, and really good condition. I just like really love ThredUp, and I will link them down below. So let's see, and the first half of my video is already up. And so this is part 2. So here is a cute cold shoulder top, also brand Max Studio. I really like cold shoulder tops. I think they're really cute. And, oh, this is a good one. This is like a little vest to wear in the winter. So you can see the bottom of the vest there with the cute little pockets. And the top has this obviously faux fur little thing on the hood. So I thought that was cute, and that would be nice to kind of throw on when it's like moderately cold but not too cold. A nice little vest with a hood. And let's see, I thought this is a wrap dress, and I just thought that the colors were so pretty. I don't know what the brand is. Scoop, which I've never heard of before, but the material is really quite nice. And as you can see, it has these sleeves that are kind of like bell sleeves. They kind of come out a bit at the ends, and then here's the middle where you kind of tie it and you wrap it around the center, and it's kind of like a mid-length dress. So very cute. I can't wait to try that one on. And here is another Max Studio dress, one of my favorite brands, and this is just looks like a really fun kind of like casual summer dress. So the front looks like this, and it just is red and white striped with this little detail at the waist, and that detail is on the back as well at the waist. So there we go. And this is, the brand is Maeve, M-A-E-V-E. So I don't think I'm familiar with that brand, but I thought this shirt, it was a long sleeve shirt, so good for the winter, and it's very cute. It's like a really fun design, fun colors there. And, oh, this is another one of that brand with like the little flowery design that you guys might recognize. I think it's either Urban Outfitters or Free People. And this also was just a little top that I thought the detail was so beautiful. This little kind of like scalloped lace design that's on the front. I thought that was so pretty. And then at the bottom it has like these little sequins. Just really, really lovely shirts. And, you know, I try not to get black too much because I feel like it just can be kind of harsh. Like solid black, it can kind of bring out, can kind of make it like age you a little bit, I guess. Well, it probably depends on the person, but I feel like it can kind of just make you look kind of harsh because the black sort of, you know, it's such a dark color that it doesn't necessarily do you any favors. But I really liked this dress, and I thought I would try it out. And I used to wear lots and lots of black, but I've since decided I look a lot better in other colors, so I have been wearing other colors, but this dress was just too cute to pass up. It has like this little sleeveless top, and then these sort of like tiered skirt, sort of like almost like flapper style. Very, very cute. And you know, maybe if you wear it with like a cute little sweater or something like that, or with like some other lighter colored accessories, that might kind of brighten it up a little bit. And this is another Max Studio dress. I don't know if I realized I got so many Max Studio items. I had a couple Max Studio items that got destroyed, and so this one is just another cute casual summer dress that has this fun detail at the waist. They always have just a really fun sort of unique little detail on them, like this one has this cool design at the waist, and just a nice blue and white striped dress. And then this, I thought this was really fun. I don't know, it's not something I would normally wear. This is also Exhilaration brand, but I just thought it was really cute, so I just thought I'll give it a try. It was really inexpensive, I think, so I thought, well, you know, I'll just try something a little different. The bold polka dots, and ooh, this is really pretty. This is also Exhilaration, but it has like a really nice feel to it. Like the cloth is so soft. The cloth feels good, like high quality. And then I love this little lace design. It's a really nice detail to that shirt. Yeah, very cute. And here is one more sweater dress. I'd mentioned in my other video that I had a few sweater dresses that got destroyed, and here is a cute new one. It's got like a little bit of a glitter to it, like a little bit of a glitter thread in there, or sparkly thread in there, and then it has just like long sleeves. Cute brown dress. Yeah, I like that. And almost to the end. I know this is like a really long video. This is Ann Taylor Loft, and it's just kind of a cute little cardigan that has this little detail right here. This sort of like, I don't even know what you would call it. It's kind of like this crepey type of fabric, and it's just a nice little detail around the front. And this, oh, this is cute. So this is kind of there's this short summer dress. The brand is American Rag again. I really like American Rag stuff. I think it's just really cute. And so the top is just like this, just sleeveless, and it has just a pretty design. And oh, this is actually from Shein. And I've got, if you guys have seen my Shein hauls, I've gotten like accessories, phone cases, jewelry, stuff like that from Shein, but I haven't actually ventured into their clothes. I have some of their clothes sort of added to my favorites, but I haven't actually taken that jump yet to order their clothes, because I hear like kind of mixed reviews. Like some people love it, some people hate it, some people say like it's not very good quality. So I thought this would be a great way to try a Shein outfit. And since it's pre-owned, it's like, well, if I wear it and wash it a bunch of times and it's still holding up, then it seems like it's pretty good quality. So it's just a cute little wrap dress with hearts. And it's actually similar to one of the ones I had bookmarked on their site. So I was excited to find that on ThredUp for a really good price. And then this is Cynthia Steph. I'm not really sure about that brand, but it's kind of like this lovely purple color. And it's just a simple dress with little buttons at the waist. Pretty cute. And oh my goodness, you guys are probably like, I cannot believe the amount of clothes here. But you guys, I'm telling you, it's amazing. These were only about $5 each. Each of these items was only about $5. So definitely check out ThredUp. This is a dress, Max Studio dress, that has this kind of cool pattern. I thought it would be kind of flattering maybe because of how these lines are. I guess I'm gonna find out, but I thought it might be kind of flattering to wear. And let's see, last but not least is a Sanctuary jacket. And one of the first things I ever ordered from ThredUp was a Sanctuary jacket, which I still have to this day, and I just love it. It's such good quality, it's so cute. It's still in perfect condition. So I looked up Sanctuary jackets and I was like, oh, this one is cute. Maybe I should go for this one. And this one is, the one I already have is a corduroy one. This is more kind of like, almost like a kind of a cargo type material, but it has this, so it's a little bit kind of like masculine, but then it has like this little ruffle down the center, which makes it a little bit more feminine, which I thought was really cute. So that was my amazing, huge, epic ThredUp haul. Let me know if you guys have been shopping from ThredUp, and if you have, what you guys think about them. They usually do have coupons for new people, so I will link to them down below so you can check them out. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.